This is Jason ODB out here representing our lifestyle podcast, and you're watching Mini Garage Off the Top Ropes.
So, as we get to this, the bag plates, you got, where do you get these bag plates, Cobb?
Queen City Fab.
Queen City Fab. How much were they?
$30.
$30 for the bag plates. And then our tubing, we had this bent up at United Tube Bending, and that's going to be our upper bag bracket. So he's going to weld that to that, and that'll be our upper bag plate. That'll be pretty slick. The lower bag plate goes in there. We'll measure everything up, see where we're going to tack it in. We're also going to tackle getting the front bags in so that the whole thing can go up and down all in this episode. So stay with us. So we're getting ready to throw these rear bag mounts in, and we got our dummy bag mount from Fantini Fab, and we're gonna bolt that to the bag brackets. We got one upper and a lower that come with the AVS kit, and we're gonna set the frame on the ground and get it to its collapsed point. So we've got our dummy bag in place, and it's not going how we planned, the Mini Garage way. So we're gonna have to add a piece of 2x4 square tube on top of the frame to where we want it, because that's where we want the bag. Our mounts don't fit any other way. The axle comes up too high, blah, 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 blah. So we'll improvise. We'll play it by ear. Cobb. You're way up there.
I am.
You gonna make it happen?
I'm gonna cobble it together.
Cobble it together. So after we got home from LST, I broke my foot. So I'm out here directing from a chair. It's like a director's chair. I've hit the big time. Anyway, that's where we're at. So he's gonna cut a piece of 2x4 rectangular tubing, get it set, and we'll get it on top of the frame. Not exactly how we planned it, but we'll clean it up and it should look all right. So we used our dummy bag, and we got the lower mount in, upper mount in. It sat a little higher on the frame than we wanted, so we had to use a piece of this 2x4 for it to sit on. Not exactly what we wanted. We're gonna come up with a way to clean that up and make it look pretty cool when it's all done. But right now we're just getting it in. The bar sat up higher than what I thought. I should have made these tubes longer, and they would have sat on top of the frame, and they would have been pretty slick, but my bad, I didn't do that. So now we're getting ready to make sure everything's lined up, and we tacked this one in the wrong spot, so we have to move it. We're off about a half an inch, so, but the other one's set up, ready to go. So we'll get it all dialed in, get this tube on the top over here, and keep going, Cobb. Go, Cobb, go. Go, Cobb, go. Oh, hey, Cobb. You're gonna make me get up? I'm broken foot. We were at LST, and ODB, what did he say to you?
To talk louder and talk more.
Talk louder and talk more. What do you have to say?
I'll work on it.
All right. With the dummy bag in, now he's getting it set up where he's got it all measured out to be. And he'll tack that in place. Maybe. And voila. Bags mounted. So now that both of these are in, we've got our crossbar that we're going to run across, and he's trimming that up and seeing how it's going to fit. So we got the crossbar, or or what are you going, bridge or whatever, welded in last night, or tacked in, cut, tacked in, and now he's going to finish up welding the back half of this. He was doing some on the, it's a bunch of finish welding right now, so it's going together. Now the last part of these bars is this piece that goes underneath. So got those tacked in, he's gonna weld them up. So the lower bars will be done. Cobb?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
What am I saying?
You're not talking much.
I'm gonna weld this.
You're gonna weld that?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we got the bags mounted. Shop air just hooked up to it, so why don't you put a little air to it, see if it moves. There we go. All right, that's a lot of goddamn lift. I mean, now granted the front's not up, but we measured before, and you had, it was 13 and a half or 13 and a quarter to the bottom. $29, so you've got like
15 and 3/4.
15 and 3/4. That's a lot of lift. All right, well, drop her down. Back moves. Now, let's get the front together. All right. Well, I think we'll get the front together and work on that next time. Till then, Mini Garage, we out. Peace.